Think you're saving big with a used SUV? Well, if it's one of these 10, yeah, think again. That's right, we're counting down 10 of the worst SUVs that have high maintenance costs, they're unreliable, and you just don't want to buy. Starting with the BMW X3. Yes, starting off this list is a BMW. Surprise, surprise. And the X3 is the mid-size luxury SUV known for sporting handling and its sleek design. On paper, it seems a perfect match, but don't let its polished exterior fool you. Owning an X3 can feel like being stuck in a never-ending repair cycle. Maintenance costs for the first 10 years are estimated at $17,711, which is 55% higher than similar vehicles in its class. Common problems include AC failures, brake issues, and frequent fuel system repairs that cost thousands to fix. Add in the complexity of its German engineering, and even basic maintenance becomes an expensive ordeal. Timing chain problems have also crept up, which can lead to catastrophic engine damage if not addressed promptly. Even if you can get an extended warranty on one of these bad boys, it's just not really worth the headache. Instead, maybe spend a little extra cash up front for an X5 with the B58 inline 6. That's exactly what your boy did, and I'm loving it. Those are bulletproof engines, maybe one of the best engines ever made. No, it definitely is. And not only does it have great power, but it has a low long-term repair bill. Plus, you'll have more room in the bigger X5. That's just a thought. And if you want to find an X5 or any other ideal vehicle, well, use the pinned first comment down below via Auto Tempest. You can find them for cheap. Next, the Range Rover Evoke. It's stylish, it's super luxurious, and it's a total wallet drainer. While the Evoque's design turned heads when it first launched, the ownership experience can leave you pulling your hair out. Maintenance costs over 10 years averages $16,365, and there's a 50% chance of a major repair during that time. Folks have reported issues that range from stiff ride quality and poor fuel economy to frustrating delays in acceleration. Worse, this SUV is notorious for its frequent electrical issues, like faulty sensors and glitchy infotainment systems, which are costly to fix and a headache for the person doing it. Anybody who knows cars will tell you Range Rover and Land Rover have never really figured out how to get their cars to last a long time. Tell me, when was the last time you saw a 20-year-old Land Rover on the road that hadn't been fully restored? A point exactly. So even if you're lured by its curb appeal, just remember, style points won't pay for those repair bills, will they? Okay. Real quick, if you're watching this, you're exactly the type of person who's gonna wanna know about this. We are launching the Ideal Collective, our very own car club where you could win a fully built Ideal ride. Yes, it's 100% free right now to sign up and learn about it when it drops. Click the link in the pinned first comment, get on the front lines. What are you waiting for? Coming in next, we have the Audi Q3. Now, to be fair, Audi's lineup of Q-Series SUVs are seriously popular for a very good reason. They are well built and never shy away in the performance segment. But when it comes to the Q3 specifically, they're pricey to keep on the road for such a small footprint. You can expect to shell out nearly $12,000 in maintenance costs during its first 10 years of ownership. And that's just maintenance, folks. If you need to replace major components like the drivetrain, you should spend several $1,000s in one go. And speaking of drivetrain issues, the Q3's transmission is reported often to have jerky shifts and complete failures at times, especially in the older models. Add to that oil leaks and turbocharger problems, and you've got yourself a pricey headache with an Audi badge on it. Up next, the Jaguar FPace, and I have to admit, this is probably the best looking SUV on this list, and genuinely one of the prettiest SUVs ever designed, but pretty face often hides some scary issues underneath, kind of like your ex-girlfriend. And like your ex-girlfriend, the FPace, well, it'll force you to spend a lot of money. It comes in with an average maintenance cost of $16,000 over 10 years. Recurring issues include malfunctioning infotainment systems, advanced tech failures, and expensive engine repairs. After the 5-year mark, repair costs escalate rapidly, leaving many owners regretting their decision in the first place. So, unless you're prepared to pay a premium for both style and repairs, this kitty cat might have been better left pound. The BMW X1 and X2, heck, they have like X1 through X7 or 8 now. Well, that's crazy. And these two are the lesser known BMW crossovers really ever made. And unfortunately, they deliver sky-high maintenance costs. In fact, by the numbers, these two similar compact SUVs are the worst for your wallet on the entire list. Owners can expect to pay $17,550 in maintenance costs within 10 years of ownership, a whopping 44% of their original purchase price. Frequent repairs include adaptive suspension issues, malfunctioning iDrive systems, and turbocharger failures that add up quickly. The X1 and X2 might fit nicely in your small driveway, but they'll also fit nicely into your mechanic's schedule repeatedly. So we would advise against, well, these and get some different options. And if you want to know some really reliable smaller SUVs, watch this video right up here. On to the next. The Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's one of the very first American SUVs that defined the segment all those years ago. But while you could justify buying a classic Grand Cherokee, the models from 2011 to 2019 are completely a different story. They are especially notorious for transmission failures and rough shifting, leading to super costly repairs. Chronic electrical issues such as faulty alternators and failing sensors plague these vehicles. Add to the frequent engine problems, and you're looking at significant repair bills that often exceed expectations. While it's tempting to buy into the Grand Cherokee's rugged appeal, don't let it leave you stranded, financially or literally. Bold design, check. Compact luxury, check. Reliability, no check. Not so much. The Cadillac XT4 may look the part, but keeping it on the road can burn a hole in your wallet. Maintenance costs average $12,000 over 10 years, with engine problems and brake booster failures topping the list of complaints. Owners frequently report interior wear and tear far below luxury standards, making it a disappointing buy for its price. I mean, you don't want your pricey luxury SUV to look like it's not a luxury SUV, right? Yeah, the outside, it's flashy, but the XT4's reliability is as short-lived as its initial excitement. Just spend a little extra cash to get an older Escalade or something. Much more comfy and way more reliable. And staying with our American theme, up next is the Chevrolet Traverse. It can be good for folks who need to fit big families and need a third row, but unless you want to be stranded with 6 other people on the side of the road, you should probably reconsider. Common issues include blown head gaskets, timing chain failures, and transmission breakdowns in the models from 2010 to 2017. Repairs often come with a hefty price tag as well, making the Traverse one of the costliest family SUVs to own. Sure, it's roomy, but unless you've budgeted for constant repairs, this SUV's hidden costs might make you wish you'd opted for something Japanese instead. At number 2, we have the Mercedes-Benz GLA Class. This compact luxury SUV may carry the 3-pointed star, but it also carries some serious repair costs. Owners can expect maintenance expenses of $13,781 on average over 10 years, with the bulk of costs kicking in after the warranty period. Common issues include turbocharger failures, oil leaks, and frequent suspension repairs that rack up quickly. Luxury doesn't come cheap, and with the GLA Class, it doesn't come reliable either. Up next on our list is the Volvo XC40. Now, your old man might think that Volvos are the most indestructible things on the road, but that's because he lived through the 1980s when the 240 diesel wagons were kind of reliable. But times have unfortunately changed for Volvo, and the XC40 maintenance costs average $11,900 over 10 years, with engine durability issues and expensive electrical repairs being common. After the 5th year, repair costs, they skyrocket, leaving many owners with significant financial headaches. It's safe, it's sleek, but the X40's hidden maintenance costs might have you thinking twice about taking one home. So I've helped over 1,000 people get into their ideal car, and here are some mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. Because as you see, buying the wrong SUV can be a costly mistake, but there are several ways to avoid these financial headaches. And here's what you can do. First, research reliability ratings from trusted sources like Consumer Reports and others. Always check the vehicle's history report for accidents or reoccurring issues using things like Carfax. And finally, make sure to invest in a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic to identify potential problems before you buy. A little homework up front can save you thousands down the road. And PPIs are super cheap insurance, just a few $100 to save you thousands right off the bat. So the allure of a used SUV might be strong, especially when they come with a good deal. But if they happen to be one of these 10 that aren't ideal, we'll turn around and run. Also, have you owned any of these? Well, I want to hear the horror stories down below, or maybe it was a diamond in the rough. Let me know in the comments below. The good, the bad, the ugly. I'll be hanging out down there with you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out some of these Ideal vids over here. I'm Brad, this is Ideal. We'll catch you next week, and promise you one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.